Do you want to take control of your money and make smart financial choices every day? Let me show you the best daily finance apps that help you do just that. Now, just to let you know, this video is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only, so let's get started. So listen, managing your money, it can feel like a big challenge, especially when you don't know where your money is going. So you might wonder, how can I keep track of my spending and my savings without getting overwhelmed? So that's where finance apps come in, you know? So listen, one great app is called Mint, M-I-N-T, like what you put in your mouth for your breath. It's going to help you see where your money goes. You can set budgets and you can even track your bills. Another amazing choice is YNAB, or You Need a Budget. That's what it stands for. It teaches you how to plan and save for the future step by step. And if you want to focus on your savings, try the app called Qapital with a Q. Makes saving money really fun, really easy by setting up goals. Okay? Now these apps are basically perfect for anyone looking to stay on top of their finances every day. So they're a simple and easy way to use these, it's simple and easy to use these apps every day to make the right decisions right away. So, don't wait, and leave me a like, leave me a comment if this helped you out in any way. I love you.